Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning into another 31 days of eyeshadow palettes with me here on my channel. Today's video is going to be centered around the Disney X Colourpop Designer Collection eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is $20 and I believe it is in stock. It goes in and out of stock, so you gotta catch it while it's up there. This palette has 15 beautiful shades and it's perfect for your everyday glam looks, meaning bridal and birthday celebration type looks. I really enjoyed working with this palette, so if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take my Morphe M535 brush and go into the color Triton, which is this shade right here. Next, with my Morphe M503 brush, I'm going into this shade right here, which is a Boo. The key to drinking soda with lipstick is a straw. Next, with the small tapered blending brush, which is my Morphe M507 brush, I'm going into the shade Midnight Curfew. I love the name of that shade. It's a black and it has a little bit of glitter in it. I'm going to focus that in the V area of my eye and a little bit in the crease. Be very careful with the black. You want to put a little bit on your brush and then like slowly build. Now back with my Morphe M503, I'm going back into a Boo and I'm just going to blend out the edges of that black. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush, which is my MAC 217 brush, and I'm just going to make sure those are blending seamlessly. Now taking my Morphe M126 brush, which is like a flat brush, I'm going to dip into the shade Thingamabob, which is this very silvery shade right here. And I'm just going to place that over the lid. Now I'm going back in with my Morphe M507 and I'm just going to blend out the edges of the shimmer shade. Now it's time to work on this lower lash line here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flat shadow brush from Belle and I'm going into the shade Midnight Curfew, which was that black shade, and I'm just going to place it right on my lash line. Back with my Morphe M503, I'm dipping into that shade of Boo, which was more of that like orangey reddish tone shade, and I'm just going to blend out that Midnight Curfew shade with that shade. So now I'm going to be placing this e.l.f. liner on my upper lash line, and then I'm going to take this Random Beauty Supply eyeliner in a black shade and do my waterline. I am going to pop on some mascara, my NYX Worth the Hype mascara, and a lash, and then I will be right back. Alright, so here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another 31 days of eyeshadow palettes with me here on my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification button as well to make sure that you are notified every single time that I post, which is every day in the month of December. Comment down below how you feel about this look, and if you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And with that, I will see you guys next video.